Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you the detailed feature of our amazing module Vtiger mentions. You can easily mention the user and assign the task directly from the command box of any particular CRM record. This extension alerts the mentioned users or teams by means of mail and notification when another user mentions your name in a CRM record or you mentioned other users and teams in any CRM record. You can use this mentions module for commenting, notifying a message, adding important notes, sending an alert, or even appreciating someone. Okay, let's start the video. Before accessing the mentions module, make sure that you have configured an outgoing server to send and receive emails. If you want to send and receive notification on the bell icon, ensure that you have installed the Notify Plus extension. Now let's configure the mentions module. To access the mentions module, navigate to Settings, then select CRM Settings. Now click on Other Settings. Then select Mentions module. The Mentions configuration page will be displayed. Here you have two options, Send email and Send notification. If you want to send emails to mentioned users, then tick the Send email checkbox. If you want to send notifications, then tick on Send notification checkbox. Here tick any one of the checkboxes or both based on your need. I have selected both Send email and Send notification to notify on mentioned users in the CRM record. Now I am going to open a record for which I need my teammates' input. On the detailed view of the record, you can see the command box. Here mention the user for whom you need to convey a message as @username. When you start typing the first letter of your username, you can see all the users related to the first letter you have typed was listed. Now select the appropriate user from the list. Then enter the message you want to send. I have entered Send code to John. Now click on Post. You can view the command from this recent commands. Once you post the command, the mentioned user will receive an instant notification and email with the content of the command. Now we check it out. Here you can see the mentioned user has received an email with the message Send code to John. And also the mentioned user has received the notification with the same message as the command. In this way, you can mention many users in a single command. And the mentioned user can also see who are all involved in the conversation. This extension supports all the standard modules and the custom modules for which the command box is enabled. With Vtiger mentions, you can save your precious time by simply mentioning the username in the command box of any particular record. You don't need to switch between two screens and send emails to every team member regarding the task. This is all you need to know about the extension Vtiger mentions. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.